So what I'm showing here is a anti-phishing software from Bufferzone. This is actually using the NPU on the new Intel Core Ultra to do anti-phishing for all of the websites that you're visiting. The great thing about this is that it's moving it all local to your Intel Core Ultra system, not exposing any of that information to the cloud. And by doing that, they can actually save a lot of cost from Bufferzone's perspective. They are able to move all of that over to the client and save 91% in costs, actually enabling them to give this product at a price point that consumers can use. Okay, let's move on to an AI assistant use case. So here we have Superpower. Superpower has the ability for you to ask your computer about anything that you've seen, said, or heard. It runs in the background, capturing data, and using the large language model, you can actually query about that data that you have. So for example, we can ask, when is the Meteor Lake launch? And what you'll see is that our NPU utilization increases, and that shows that this is all running locally. So we're actually using a large language model to query the database, to query the information that everything that you've seen, said, or heard. So if you need to know what were those ARs I took in that meeting last week, or what things did I talk to my boss about, you can do all of that with Superpower. It's the AI assistant that all runs locally on your Intel Core Ultra system. Now let me show you a new use case from Wondershare, Filmora. This is a video editing use case. And what we have here is we've got our dancer. And what we're going to do is replace the background for our dancer. So he's got a kind of a boring background. So let's go ahead and put him on the Vegas Strip. So now, using the new NPU, I can actually separate the dancer from the background and replace the background and make it look like he's now out in front of the Venetian. And you can see the NPU is being utilized here. So we're using the graphics for all of the rendering, and we're using the NPU for all of the AI. Now we can even add a little more color to this, to our dancer. We're going to use something called Human Glitch. And again, this is all running on the NPU that's on the new Intel Core Ultra. All of this is running locally. None of this information is exposed to the cloud. And you're free to edit all of your videos using the power of AI and the power of the Intel Core Ultra.